Hello and welcome to this video. My name is David Thorne. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to list or show all of the databases on that one server, or that one MySQL server, or the SQL server, or whatever it is you want to call it. If you are using PHP-MyAdmin or some kind of like MySQL-Client, you'll see them already listed out. But what happens if you actually come to like this blank screen? You're like, how do I actually see this stuff? You know, and you want to see all of the databases that you can actually access, because you can be restricted or have only a specific privilege to view or manipulate or use or manage any data within inside the database. And if you are on the command line, how do you do this? So the easiest way of doing it is just by saying show databases, all right? And here you will get a list of all of the databases that you are permitted to see. Now, as you can see here, I am logged in with the root user. If I was logged in with another user, and let's say that I only had the privileges to view the WordPress_dev2, then I would only see that one database here right now. Okay, but so this is a way to be able to see what databases am I allowed to view, first of all. But that doesn't necessarily mean which databases am I allowed to access, right? Just allowed to view and to see the existence of. Right, so this is very, very simple. It is not really much more to it than that. So when we come to PHP-MyAdmin, this is exactly what has happened kind of in the background, is that it's kind of said, hey, show me all of the databases. There are other ways and means of getting around this, and this is where the other databases come into it, all right? Specifically the information schema. But I don't really want to get into that because it's another completely different thing, okay? But I just wanted to show you how if you were stuck suddenly on a specific date or on a specific server and you didn't know how to do this, but you only knew how to, like, say, use a database, this, that, and the other, this is how you would do it. So just as a quick intro, if you were here and you were like, oh, I need to use WordPress_dev1, then you would just say use WordPress_dev2, and now you can just say show tables, right? And there's no tables in WordPress_dev2, but you now by default using this one table. So if we said select everything from users here, it doesn't have, you see, WordPress_dev2 doesn't have users. But if we say then use MySQL and we do this again, you'll see that there are no users on there, but it knows the existence of that one table, all right? So this is basically how you can show the databases, and as a quick intro, how you can select the user, and also how you can use a specific database without having to declare which database you're using all the time. All right, very, very quick video. I hope this has been some kind of help to you. If you are new to MySQL, are new to databases and so on, it's quite a scary place to go sometimes, but the more you practice, the more you do, the more videos you watch, the more you read, the easier it is going to get. And remember that MySQL or SQL is a declarative language. It's supposed to be like the English language which you speak. It's supposed to be constructed of sentences. So if you look at something and it doesn't sound right, it's not right, okay? Because that's what the whole point of it being declarative. It needs to sound like English, a language, all right? With that said, if you do have any questions or concerns, please feel free to put them in the comments section down below. Otherwise, if you've got any feedback or any advice to other people about what I might have said or not said, yeah, please feel free to put the comments in there, and I'll give you a thumbs up as well. Otherwise, it really helps other people to find my videos if you give me the video a like, and if you want to subscribe to get notified of any up and coming videos in the future, then feel free. Otherwise, I'm really happy that you just watched all the way through to the end. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which is probably going to be on the screen right now. Yeah, a video that either I or YouTube has recommended to you. Thanks then. See you later. Bye bye.